In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meshes in Blender using Shift+A. If you're building anything in Blender, every model starts as a simple shape, and the quickest way to drop one into your scene is with a single shortcut. With your cursor over the 3D viewport, press Shift+A. That opens the Add menu right where you're working, so you don't have to reach for panels or search through tabs. The Add menu is a quick launcher for new objects. Since we want basic modeling shapes, hover your mouse over Mesh, and a list of common primitives will appear. From here, just click the object you want. Pick Cube when you need a reliable starting block for almost any form. A cube is perfect for roughing out walls, props, and hard surface pieces. Choose Sphere whenever you're shaping round objects like balls, eyes, or domes. The cylinder is great for pipes, cans, handles, and anything long and round. If you need a point or a taper, select Cone. It's ideal for spikes, hats, or stylized trees. Torus gives you a donut-like ring useful for tires, bracelets, and mechanical gaskets. And Plane adds a single flat surface, which is excellent for floors, cards, decals, or starting a low-poly landscape. The moment you click, Blender places the mesh in your scene at the 3D cursor's location and selects it automatically, ready for you to move, rotate, or scale. If you don't see it right away, it's usually just outside your current view. Simply adjust your view to frame it. This workflow keeps you in the flow of modeling because you can add new shapes without breaking concentration. Using Shift+A to open the Add menu, hovering over Mesh, and choosing a primitive is the exact approach most Blender artists rely on day to day. It's fast, predictable, and works consistently across projects. As you practice, you'll develop a feel for which primitive gets you to your final shape with the least effort. That small decision up front can save a lot of time later. So that's the process. Open the Add menu with Shift+A, hover over Mesh, then pick the cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, torus, or plane that fits your goal. Give it a try on your next project and experience how much smoother your workflow becomes. Once you're comfortable with this, you'll find that starting every model with Shift+A quickly becomes second nature. It's a small habit that pays off every time you sit down to create.